Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Amazon reviews for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company and they make a lot of widgets, and one of them is Amazon reviews. Click here on sign up for free. When you're gonna do it, you want to just write your email and password, or just sign up with Facebook or Google. And now just click login. When you will be here, you'll be in applications and you want to write here Amazon. And you're going to see here Amazon reviews. So let's create a widget. And now you can have option between choosing carousel, slider, grid, list. Just choose which one you like. Let's go with the reviews widget here, continue with the template, and just paste here the URL of your product. I will just leave this one here. Then you get like list, review, classic, okay, and then just click save. When you will do it, you will get on this plan that you need to choose. You can go with the pro version or basic version, it's really up to you. Pro, it's 50,000 views, basic is 5,000. But if you are starting out, go with the light, that's 200 views if you don't have any traction on your site. So let's copy the widget. And let's click here on widget and let's add HTML right here and let's paste it. Now wait until it loads. Okay, when we have it, we can see it right here. And we can easily put it to the middle. And voila, you got perfect Amazon reviews for your site in Duda. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And also, like if you're gonna here on all applications pack, you can choose like 15 bucks a month, the basic one, or pro pack, that's like 30 bucks a month. It's also really good. So that's probably it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.